Hello, what the? Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to... so that's what was on my mind. Oh, hang on. Wait, something's still in my nose. Okay, here it is. Where did all this came from? Okay, so my inner fat self says that I should do a Nokia E66, and honestly I've been waiting a while to do one, so these are all the parts that I have. Let me sort them out, old and new, whatever. And here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. I don't know which one works or not. So first I'm going to sort the parts. Is this looking good enough? Apparently so. Is this looking good enough? Apparently not so. Oh, it's in my language. "505 talk towers." Right, so this one works, but it's a dead the display. Next. Oh. Okay, I think this is a fake one. I don't know what to believe anymore. The only hint that I have is the camera dimension. See the lens? So smaller on this one. This one it's also bigger, this one is also bigger, this is bigger, so this is huge no. Son of a... Next. I highly doubt this will work. Never mind, it vibrated. Now let's see the display. Anything else you want to say to me? Yeah, it's dead. Well, not completely dead yet, but almost. Yeah, no one asked. Let me check, so no personal photo good. Also in Romanian. "635 talk towers." Yeah. Nope. Next. If this is here, it means the display was changed or something inside, and I hope it's good. The phone just died, so this will go here. Next. Please tell me you have a good display. Please, good news, come on. Yes. Let me look closer. Yes. Finally a good one. And it's in a language I do not know. Here we have it. Yeah. It has to restart now in order for the English language to get into place. 210 talk towers. Not bad. Ooh, and it's looking nice, the slide. The slide is looking nice. A bit wobbly, but I saw that all the E66 tends to go this way. Like, let's see. This one as well, see? This one also. Also this one, so all of them. Let me check this counterfeit one, even this one. Actually you can kind of feel the quality here, the buttons are more quality on this one. Right, let's begin the disassembly. And I'm going to put this battery to charge while I'm doing that. Right, so I put the battery to charge and let's disassemble the phone. What I need to do is to take the flex cable from another one with the front buttons, because well, I guess you could see that not all the buttons are lighting up. I think if I clean these buttons they will look better, so we'll see. Good, I can take the display out so I won't damage it. And of course it's glued here and there, or it's clamps. Yep, clamps, not glued. Yay! Alright, putting this here and this here. Actually, this what's it called? The earpiece. There we go. Put it here. Go. And these are the buttons, which are not looking bad, but I won't keep them. So I need to pull this like this on the right side, unplug it, and oh, the main board, the poor main board. I don't like what I see here. This phone was repaired before. Great. But it works. Still I'm not satisfied. So I'll test the 3 main boards that I have there. Maybe they will work better, who knows. Actually, this thing should come off already. No. This is first. Something like this. The hinge mechanism is good. The flex cable, it's what I want to change. I'm gonna take from here this thing. Okay. I might change this thing. Now, the most important part. I have to test out these main boards to see if they work. I'll take them all one by one and hopefully they work. So it will be more of a first come first serve, you know. Great, the screen went back in its place. No problem. It started and it died, just like that. How about this one? Alright, so let's change the flex cable. Maybe maybe that's a problem. Let me check that we don't have any. Also my language, eh? Good man. Come on. 848 octaves, oh my god, no way. $434. Well, actually I can still test this other one, since I haven't tested it. 422. I'm keeping this one, dang it. See if this camera works. Okay, this one shows good. Good. So I'm keeping this thing. Well, this dusty one also works, even though it's been repaired, so not to be thrown to the trash. Now I do need to take this slide mechanism because the paint is more intact than all the other one that I have. So while I'm doing this, I'm also trying to find a safe way to unstick it without damaging the flex cable. Which will prove to be very hard. There we have it. Now here comes the hard part. Okay. Right, so I'll get to cleaning these parts, sorting them out, and be right back with the assembly. Hopefully all goes well. I'm scared. Okay, be right back. Bye. Right, so I had a few complications, and by complications I mean body shells. I couldn't find any good one, so I have this swapped one, and this is the best I could find in the front part. The body shells you find on the market now, the non-original one, they are trash. They're very hard to use, unless maybe if it's a very good quality one, and I'll show you why. The problem starts with this part, the flex cable with the SIM and card and all the side buttons. For instance, let me put the side buttons in. Here, the non-original one is too tight. I pressed it in and the buttons weren't pressing correctly or at all, or they were just stuck, and that is absolutely annoying. Well, let's see how this original one will do. Even this original one sometimes gives a bit of a headache. Okay, now the camera button is pressing. This button is still not pressing good enough. Now it's pressing good. That's the whole issue. Now, to put here's the flash intact, right? Right, good. Now this is better compared to that horrible body shell. Oh, whoops. Sorry, forgot the power. Forgot that this connector goes here, the charging port. Yeah, that's the name I was looking for. And now for the headphones jack, the port for the jack, whatever, you get the idea. Right, this will remain there for now. I don't remember if this flex cable is good or not. I got angry and all of them got, let's say, unexpectedly underground. Yeah. Oh, okay. Because I wasted so many hours. Actually, no, I wasted days. This is the 4th day. Actually, no, it's been 3 days since I worked on this phone because I couldn't find parts. I went through everything. I turned everything upside down in my house to find some parts for it. Luckily, this is good enough. Yeah. This thing gets a little bent, so I'll have to bend it sideways again. I'm actually bent it back in place. That's the word, yeah. Slide this in place here, push it in the clamps, and that's it for the display. This here. I just saw this. It has a broken screw inside here. Oh my god. Dude, this phone was a nightmare and it's not the phone's fault. It's the fact that I have only old crappy parts. Oh. Actually, there is a way to take out broken screws, but usually I would have needed a saw for this, not a knife. Now I have to... Yeah, it's not sharp anymore, but I will sharpen it. Started moving finally, after I pressed it with the pliers a bit. Finally it's out. Snapped screw, just what I needed inside. Yeah. Phew. Now I have to check the thread. Oh, this appears to be good. So I'm keeping this one. Okay, let's put this thing back together once and for all already, because I'm getting tired of it. I'm starting to lose my patience and I'm very close to the sword. Well, goodbye sanity. Yeah, if I was a kid. Hey, what did you get for Easter? Me, crazy. Okay, this was good enough. This phone is starting to become... I'm sorry, what the... You son of a... This screw is too long. Dang it, it was a good dimension. Let me look for... Oh, found a smaller one. This has to be it. This has to be it. Good. Phew. Finally, there you have it. I hope it will work and not give me a hard time, because the next short video that you're gonna see is will a Nokia E66 withstand a sword hit. Sorry, I'm saying sword too much. I made a old video with the Nokia 3310 versus the Rambo 4 Machete, you know. Check that out, by the way, it's pretty awesome. Right, let me bend this a little here. Good. Okay. Yeah, the button here is a bit dirty, but other than that, yeah boy, we have the Nokia logo. Let it start for a while I clean here. Good. Today is 21/04/2022 and the time is 23:35. Oh, not much battery, but shut up. 422 talk hours, okay. Finally, it's done. I'm tired, I'm angry, I'm hungry, I'm fat, I'm ugly, etc. I'm not even going to do an outro because I'm really tired. I swear to God, I'm really tired. So, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe. It helps me a lot and I thank you for that. Yeah, this phone took a lot of time, not because it's hard. It's not hard at all, it's easy. But because of the parts. Hard to find good parts, especially original ones. Everywhere you can find the non-original parts and they all suck. Believe me, for the E66, non-original body parts are straight up garbage. Don't buy them. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself and all the best, and I hope you never get frustrated like me ever. Like ever. It hurts. Yeah. Well, all the best. Bye bye.